Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a size chart to our Shopify store. Now there are a couple ways to do it, so I'm going to show you them. So the first way is just go to the Shopify App Store, type in like size charts and download pretty much any app will do the trick. For example, I found this clean size chart and it basically gives you these size charts. There are some other ways you can do it so that you create like a chart page. And to do that, so you want to go to Shopify admin, go to online store pages. So you would go to online store here, then you would navigate to pages. And from there you want to click on add page. And if you want to create a size chart that appears site-wide, then enter size chart for the page title in the search engine listing preview. So if you want to create a chart that only appears on like products from a specific vendor, then enter the name of the vendor followed by size chart. For example, if the vendor is called Great Owls, then enter Great Owl size chart in the page title. And in the content box, just create a table that contains your size chart information. So basically you would come here, like insert table, and type in like sizes, small, etc. So whatever. Another way to do it is just to basically have your sizing chart as an image. Then you would go to your products, upload the size chart as an image here, and that would be visible as well. So those are a few ways you can add size chart. So anyways, thank you for watching this video. If you want that Shopify offer, click the link in the description.